Farmers have been left behind in the Liberals' latest budget. The Minister of Agriculture is failing farmers and Canadians. For months, I have been calling on the Ag Minister to support food sovereignty and our farmers. Farmers have been shouldering the added costs of quarantine with little assistance. As with this federal budget, the Liberals may be good at announcing, but don't count on their delivering for Canadian farmers. As any farmer can tell you, farming works with very narrow profit margins, and this government does not seem to care that farmers cannot pass these extra costs along to the consumer. The Liberal budget also proposes funding for more efficient grain dryers. Well, there is no alternative to propane and natural gas-fueled grain dryers for large-scale farm operations. The Liberals also want farmers to switch from diesel-fueled equipment. As any farmer will tell you, most farm implements are powered by diesel-fueled engines because of the need for high torque and pulling heavy equipment around hundreds and thousands of acres. So whether a farmer is in a field of 80 acres or 800 acres, where would they plug in a tractor? This federal budget talks about crop rotation and low-till practices to reduce emissions. This is not new. Farmers have done this for decades. There is no talk in the budget of compensating farmers who have already reduced emissions and maximize putting carbon back in the soil. When it comes to regulations, farmers are just looking for fairness. Instead, this budget gives them more red tape and more money for arbitrary enforcement of regs with farmers. So once again, this Liberal government may be good at announcing, but don't count on it for delivering for Canadian farmers.